Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are talking about the ultimate hairstyle for anyone who wants to break free from the mirror. The messy pixie cut. If you have been thinking about chopping your hair off, this is your sign to finally do it. The messy pixie is not just a haircut, it's a whole mood. It's for the woman who is bold, confident, and does not want to spend an hour every morning with a blow dryer. The beauty of messy pixie lies in its imperfection. Unlike a sleek, polished bob, the pixie thrives on choppy layers and uneven ends. This texture is what gives you that cool girl volume at the crown, making your hair look thick and full of life. Whether you have straight hair that needs a boost or natural waves that want to run wild, the messy pixie adapts to you. You can wear it forward with a soft, shaggy fringe to highlight your eyes, or sweep it to the side for a more sophisticated, edgy vibe. Now let's talk about styling because that's the best part. To get the perfect walk-up like this look, you don't need fancy tools. All you really need is a good texturizing spray or a teeny bit of hair wax. Just rub it between your palms, scrunch your hair, and you are ready. Contour the world. It's the ultimate low maintenance style that looks high fashion, from platinum blonde to deep raven black. This cut works with every color and every face shapes. In a world full of long extensions, standing out with a short texture pixie is a total power move. It's fresh, it's rebellious, and it's incredibly for 2026. So, are you ready to embrace the chop and find your new signature look? Look through these slides, find the texture that speak to you, and show it your stylist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short hair inspiration. Stay messy, stay beautiful, and we will see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.